Memory walks ahead, clearing the path with sacred knowing. Call to inner wisdom and divine guidance. I am housed by honor, protected by legacy, and rooted in Nashe. Today, I open my spirit to receive what is already mine. No door closed to me was meant for my peace. I welcome the open ones. The winds of Oya move through me. I am ready for what changes and firm in what stays. Invoke transformation with grace. I do not chase, I align. What is aligned is drawn to me without struggle. With breath I cleanse, with word I create, with presence I bless. Ritual grounding. The spirits of those before me rise with me. I walk in their strength. Daily affirmation of ancestral companionship. Even in uncertainty, I am becoming. Even in stillness, I am rising. Space to faith during your spiritual pause. Egungun mi, mo pien, simi lorai, vimi han. My ancestors, I call to you. Show me kindness, reveal the way. Ashe to those who came before me, walk with me now. A call for presence and strength from known and unknown ancestors. Bones in the earth, rise in my blood, guide me. Acknowledging the physical and spiritual lineage you carry. I walk the road you walked. May I not walk it blind. Inviting ancestral wisdom to light your path. Ori mi, Egungun mi, Igba mi. Si ele aye fumi. My spirit, my ancestors, support me. Open the way in this world. Ẹgbẹ Ọrun, Imura, Omoyen and Pien. Spiritual kin in the other world, prepare. Your child is calling you. From the deck to the drum, from the drum to the dream, speak to me. Channel for dream work, trance of daily guidance. You didn't find this by accident. The ancestors stirred, and the flame rose. If this message reaches your spirit, don't just watch, walk the path. Subscribe for ancestral truths, whispered wisdom, and sacred fire. Drop a comment below. Let me know what your spirit needed to hear today, and share this with someone who's ready to remember. I'm daughter of the ancestors, and together we walk in power.